Metïap ngaya Pulit hai ni hai. Bagi sendang bayo Briew am, ki em news nam tam, ya kitu bo shom morway, ko mamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ta ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tambah jing em jong ma, incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mendagasngi nalap yang sekawai ke Metïap naga krem doyong ke berbethaya ke than min sengat thang sko bat ya kini lai tho do menteri sarkar boleh jengok syaga naga jakau ba lak men rembui ba lak men lai tho ba ke jengwat Briew ki kin ho nyarap kedang ya hadu mentaru boleh tho ru ba hadu menta ki Pulit kidang yok kem dang arut ki Briew ki bela subah bagi dei ki badan keti ke jeng bethai dynamite hinde lo ong bagi Pulit kidang to ki benia Shuh bat kindang don Shuh ki ba kindang kem.
Pani ji kwa rukan. Pani te. Aja.
Đi xin nào phải phạt đấy. Điểm sắc à vì có mưa chứ ăn.
Hindi ko hite yang hi gini.
Tes agak di tes.
अरे कोई लोकल है यहाँ पे और जाने वाला अंदर और लोकल एक कोई लोकल अंदर जाने के लिए है
As soon as the news, this mission come to know that this incident happened, immediately the officers from the district, the BDO, and also medical team have tried to reach this area, and the team of SDRF and the NDRF are stationed in the district also. They have reached, but when they reach here, they found that 18 bodies already been dead, and then 8 people have been injured, and all those 18 bodies have been shifted to Clearet for the necessary procedure, and the 8 body injured, 6 have been shifted to Negrim, and 1 in civil hospital and 1 in UI. So these are the sequence of events yesterday, and more importantly, the ADC station here, the BDO, the medical team, and today morning 2 more team of NDRF have reached here, and with the officers and the doctor from NDRF, and also to see that whether anybody could be rescued or any more people are there inside the mine. So, but till now, they start operation in the morning, and at around 1:30, 1 more body, when we are here, you have seen that 1 more body have been retrieved in this thing, which already died, and the same procedure as done yesterday will be followed. So, but from the district administration also, they have arrested 2 persons, suspect who for this incident. 2 persons have been arrested, and investigation is going on, and more arrests, if necessary, will be done. And most importantly, district administration, they have tried to seize all those mines and necessary thing is to be done, so that this type of unfortunate incident should not happen in the future. So regarding the thing also, for this incident, I'm very thankful to Honorable Prime Minister that he has announced ex gratia payment, and also to Honorable Chief Minister who have deputed us to come here immediately and report to him and see that to leave no stone unturned to see that whatever necessary thing to be done need to be done, so that this case could be closed as early as possible, with the sense that no more body is there in the mine, or if anybody need to be rescued, it could be rescued safely. So I'm very thankful to NDRF, and I hope that with their continuous working of NDRF, SDRF, the team of police point, the magistrate, and this administration, we will able to see that this operation will finish as soon as possible. Thank you.